All right, I'm trying to be real careful here. I got my garbage Harbor Freight torque wrench, and I just it's tighter, like it's tightening. It's torquing down back there. And if it's not exactly 27, then all we need to do is run. Let's get a light back here and see what's up. I mean, they're tight, dude. They're tight. So I think I'm gonna put the airbox on, just see if it's gonna go. Maybe try to tighten them all up a little bit more. I heard a click on one of the nuts, but I don't want to strip these things out, man. Unfortunately, this Craftsman torque wrench, like, that's not gonna fit in there. It's gonna just jam up into the windshield. So I don't know.